I'm using Win Hopkins. Hello Win, amazing new slicer and card visual in Power BI tutorial. I'll put a link into it in the comments. And he shows how to create an up, down and equals arrow depending upon a specific measure. So I thought this is brilliant. I really want to use this and I will use it time and time again. So I go straight into Tabular Editor. I've opened my Power BI report and I've got a measure here called variance rounds that I want to create wins measure on. So I go into C sharp. If I click on C sharp here, and here's one that I did earlier. So let me pop it in so that you can see it. And let's make it a little bit bigger so you can see what's going on. So basically what it's doing is it's going to iterate over every single measure that I select, so I could select more than one, and then it's going to add this variance indicator conditional formatting at the end, and then it's going to do a switch true. For m.dax object name is the name of the selected measures, and if it's less than 0, I'm putting this Unichar in it, equals 0 this Unichar, or greater than 0 this Unichar. So you can see the DAX is basically in the speech marks, and you separate it like that, and there's lots of examples online that you can apply and you can look at and see. So here's my measure, and I go up here, press the green arrow, and there's my measure. It's just done. And so now what I can do is I can add this and I can give it a name, conditional formatting visual arrow, or whatever you want to call it. Press OK, and you'll see it's then in my macros, which will be right at the bottom. You can see there's one I did before. And now anytime I want to create this this arrow that I want to pop into my card details, I just click on them and it creates these measures for me. So thank you Win, and much appreciated.